Alright guys, blooper of the day. Don't make jalapeno garlic powder and then put your contacts in without washing your hands first. Yeah, that's how I'll start this video. Good morning guys. Today we are doing an experiment recipe because I'm cleaning out the last bit that's in my freezer, getting ready for my beef cow. And I had some jalapenos and a little bit of chili peppers left from my garden this past year. So it was literally just one tray and I didn't have anything else to put on it. But we are going to make jalapeno garlic powder. And this is a little experiment. Come here. This is an experiment recipe. I want to make sure I like it because I'm wanting to make the Esta Ranch mix because I've never tried it and I will not pay almost $2 for a little packet of it. So I hear all the rage, so I'm going to try to make it myself. And one of the copycat recipes shows to use either jalapeno powder, jalapeno garlic powder. So I'm going to make a little batch, use it a little bit, see how I like it, and then make my seasoning mix. So of course the first thing you need, oh my goodness, come here. So the first thing you need is, you're not getting up there baby, is jalapenos. And again, this was jalapenos with a little bit of chili peppers and a couple cayennes. So it's not quite just jalapeno, but either way, I chopped them up, put them on my dehydrator, or let them dehydrate. Now, at this point, you can either use a blender, use Vitamix, use food processor to get it into a powder. I will actually be using a mortar pestle because all I have is my huge Vitamix and this is not going to make a lot. So I'm just going to do it by hand. So I will bring you back when I am done doing that. Alright, so you can see this is a little pint jar. This is how much one dehydrator tray on my dehydrator gives. And again, I did it with the mortar pestle and I wasn't too worried about how powdery. Some of it's super powdery, but you can still see a little bit of the seeds. That doesn't bother me at all. You could also just crumble it up and make it flaked if you wanted to do that, like a red pepper flake, only jalapenos. But anyway, so I'm going to do it the easy way today. Since it is just a trial recipe. For this amount, I'm going to put in 1 thing of garlic powder, just like so. And if you know me at all, you know I will go through this like no other because I like spicy and I love garlic. And then this is, hold on. Alright, this is a lid that I've previously canned with. I wash them and keep them for purposes of dry canning or something like this. So then I'm just going to shake, 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 shake. Also, if you are doing this in a blender, make sure you don't breathe the fumes because just doing it with this, which by the way, I love my husband forever for buying this for me. I love it 10 times more than if he would have bought me an actual blender. I use this all the time. So that's just that. But just by doing that, I was coughing from getting some of the fumes from the peppers. But anyway, shake it up real good. Shake, shake, shake. And there we go. Let me open it up and see what we got. Alright, first off, this smells absolutely amazing. And I think that is the perfect ratio of pepper to garlic. Could not think. But look at that. Try to get you in the light. I got a lot going on my kitchen right now. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And it smells amazing. I'll definitely bring you along when I use it for a recipe later this week. But I'm so happy I made this. I can't wait to try it. And this will last no time. So I'll definitely make a bigger batch and I'll try to get actual measurements for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on a homemade spice you can make in no time at all. So thank you for watching and I hope you guys are having a happy Monday.